about that? Because I feel like I might die if I won't be allowed to go outside and play.
You know I can't let you out in this kind of weather. But maybe I could pass the time by telling a little story.
Wait, a story? Story! Can I tell a story? Ooh, yay! What's this one going to be about?
Well, you wanted to know why it has to rain, didn't you? Well, there's a lot more magic involved than you would think. This story was told to me by my mother, who heard it from her mother, who heard it from her mother, who also heard it from her mother, and so on. It's about two brave travelers on an impossible journey to bring back the rain. Our journey begins with a Sequoia magician.
Pick a card, any card. Was this your card? I thought so. My name is Pakayani. You can call me Magic Man or Medicine Man. Just don't call me late for dinner. I come from real big town up north. My mother is Old Woman Kyo, and my father, I don't know. I've come to teach you magic, so come and see the show. See the water flow. Watch my magic grow. What good is your mother if my magic you know? How can you be fooled by the nonsense of this show? I mean, the lights, the dancing. That's not how this works. Why have you neglected my altar? Why do you not worry about rain for your crop? I hope you know that this is all just some trick. I've had it. This is far too ridiculous. If you like this magic more than you like your own mother, let's see how you live off of it. Say goodbye to your precious plants, say goodbye to your precious animals, and most of all, say goodbye to your precious rain. I leave you with Hummingbird. She will remain unaffected by the drought, shiny and plump. If you want to ask for my forgiveness, she'll know what to do.
Down below, 3 rows below this one, everything is green. The plants are growing, the flowers are blooming, and I go down there to eat. If you want to find Mother, you're going to have to need a messenger. Have no fear, I brought all the ingredients. Use this decorative pottery jar to mix Black Mountain dirt, sweet corn flour, and just a little bit of water. Put all those together, cover a buckskin, and repeat these words. After 4 days you will be alive. 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 Did I do it?
Whoa, what's up?
Fly! I need you to come with me so we can find Mother and apologize.
Okay, don't forget the polish, great stick, and turquoise.
Got it. Don't forget our jackets, sunscreen, and goggles. We're gonna have to travel through the other 3 worlds before we reach the 4th one. Oh boy. Everything is glowing and everything is beautiful.
Why is it so sweet? Try it, Hummingbird.
Wait till we find our mother. Oh, there she is.
Judging by the pollen, the rain stick, and the turquoise, I'm assuming you want something?
Yes, we would like you to return the storm clouds. The people are starving without their crops.
I don't hear the magic word.
Pretty please.
In order for me to bring back the rain, I'm gonna need Old Buzzard to purify the town first.
It's us, Hummingbird and Fly. We need you to purify our town.
Please.
Go back. First, I'm gonna need you to get me Caterpillar's tobacco. Then I'll think about it. Come in.
You look familiar.
I get that a lot. What's up? What can I do for you?
Tobacco.
I got you, bro.
Thank you. Now I can go back to Buzzard.
Oh, Buzzard? Yikes, that's a journey. You sure don't wanna sit back for the road?
I was born for this.
Buzzard, we're back. Please tell me the service you need to purify our town. I don't think my feathers take another journey through the ice, fire, and wind again.
Okay. Go back and tell Mother I'll purify the town.
Back? He's kidding. I'm already here. Buzz, that's cruel. Are you ready to purify my town now?
I'll start purifying. Flop, go take the message back to the people that Mother's coming home. Hummingbird, I'm gonna need you to find that Suko Oyo magician for me. Well, if it isn't that little troublemaker I've been hearing so many things about. Now you listen here, boy. I'm gonna need you to stay off my lawn, you. Now scram!
From now on, try and stay out of trouble. It's not easy to fix things back up again. Ask Bird and Fly. But be sure to remember this the next time a Sequoia magician comes to town. The end. the world, it's ridiculous. It doesn't make any sense, and besides, that's not even how droughts work. According to my textbooks, droughts are a weather condition caused by a lack of precipitation. That's it. No magic, no curses, no nonsense, just science.
That may be true, Zooey, but there's more to the world than what we know. When our ancestors first came up with these stories, they didn't have the same scientific understandings that we have today. These stories were the means in which they were able to understand and connect with the world around them. Now, you may prefer to believe in scientific fact, but that doesn't mean that you should be discrediting the beliefs of others. Both science and myth are ways to look at the world around us and find meaning. I'm sure our ancestors would be very proud of the curiosity that you have for our world.
I never really thought about it like that. I'm sorry, Nana.
No, don't be sorry. That's what I'm here for, to teach you these stories. Yes, they pass the time, but they also help connect us to our history and our ancestors. Although, I think that's enough story time for today. The rain's all cleared up.
Oh, come on, Nana, one more story.
Yeah, okay, fine. But just one more. Once upon a time, there was a gambler.